Nestled in the historic Parker Gardens and walkable to Beverly Shops, this quintessential Mount Lebanon charmer is exactly what you've been looking for. When it comes to Mount Lebanon homes, quality and character is the name of the game. In this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath brick construction home, you'll find that hardwood floors, plaster walls, and classic light fixtures are well balanced with tasteful updates. The open kitchen, reimagined for today's homeowner, features eternal Calcutta quartz atop Brookhaven cabinetry, creating an elegant and functional space. I like to think that I have a green thumb, but this yard puts me to shame. Mature perennial trees, bushes, and flowers adorn the yard for year-round beauty. Sculpted trees in the backyard give you privacy. This incredible home is 220 Morrison Drive, and I am Matt Swab with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. For more details or to schedule a private tour, give me a call.